So, welcome everyone to this year's Open Social Summit. I'm very excited to have you all. For those who don't know me, my name is Jamila Kyle. I'm the Senior Customer Success Manager at Open Social, and I'll be your host today. So, today's theme is Spotlight. Why Spotlight? Because usually the people with the loudest voices get the most attention. And today we want to shine light on the platforms and communities, and specifically the people behind all the hard work, and bring a lot of light to you today. So we're very happy to have you here. We really want to focus this summit on bringing collaboration as well as learning for each other, as well as shining light on all the hard work you do as well. So whether it is internally or externally, I really hope we will learn a lot today. So thank you all for being here. We have people who have come here from all over the world. We have people here from different departments of the European Commission, from WAGs, from the We Build Consortium, and the World Bank, and many more really inspiring, amazing organizations that are here with us today to learn and grow together. But a special thank you to our sponsors today. Upsun is one of our sponsors, actually our third time sponsor. They used to be Platform SH. We have been working with them together from the very beginning of Open Social as our very trusted hosting provider. And they're also with us here today. So thank you for that. Our first time sponsor is Collabora Online. We have been working with them together this year to work bringing our document collaboration suite to life. You will definitely learn a lot more about that later on as well, and they're with us here today too. Today's agenda and the schedule of today, you can also scan the QR code. But pretty much after my little speech here, we're going to start with Taco, of course, the CEO and co-founder of who will be discussing and launching the community collaboration platform and pretty much sharing the vision of Open Social for the coming time. Then we have Bram ten Hove, the co-founder as well, and CTO of Open Social, who will be excitingly sharing the launch of our new product, Lumina Insights, followed by Louise Delat, I hope I'm saying that right, the project manager at We Build Consortium, who will discuss cross-organization platform collaboration with 180 plus public and private companies. Then we have a well-deserved little coffee break before we move on to Victoria, our design lead at Open Social, who will be sharing the design future-proof solution, pretty much how we designed and built our document collaboration suite, followed by Eloy Crespo, the VP Business Development at Collabora, who will be sharing more on Collabora Online's new features and roadmap. By Eric Bellhausen, who will actually be calling in today, who unfortunately couldn't be here with us from Belgium, who will be sharing how to navigate multi-community networks and ecosystems. Afterwards, we finally have lunch and everyone gets to eat and network some more for an hour before we continue with Moritz Arendt, our head of product at Open Social, who'll be giving more product insights as well as our new products, Engagement Studio, our Connection Hub, as well as Gaia AI. Followed by Gaia Paris, I hope I'm saying that too, the head of data development AI at technology and AI at UNDP, who will be sharing the UNDP Spark Plus journey, which I'm very excited to hear about. And then JB Abrahams, the co-founder of Freely Give, who will be sharing the Gaia AI future and more on AI as well. Then we'll have a little break before we continue with Manuela Caprero from WAGS as the global manager, who will be sharing as well more how one platform, many roles, from standard tool to connected platforms. Afterwards, we have our last talk from Emil Beck. I hope, who's the founder of Product Development, who will talk about what makes a community platform succeed, strategy, foundations, and theory. Finally, we'll have our fireside Q&A chat with Taco, with Gaia as well from Gaian from UNDP, Zarko Palankov from the World Bank, and Paul Gateau from Upsun, which will be pretty much a little more open, a little more informal to ask questions on different interesting topics that were also covered during the day. Finally, we'll have our little closing ceremony, and then the drinks take place and the bar does open. But after that, we are very excited because we will go on a boat canal cruise that will take place from 7 to 9. We'll gather here together around 6:30 or so and walk there, or 6:45, and walk there together. It's only 10 to 15 minutes away from here. It will be closed and warm, so don't worry, no matter the weather, you'll be dry. There will also be food and beverages, so you won't go hungry. There will be also vegan and gluten-free options for any dietary restrictions as well. There was also a survey went out if you will be joining. If not, it's no problem. You can still join. Just follow along. There's enough space and food for you as well. The schedule for tomorrow. So obviously I went over today's, but just a heads up, tomorrow we're also having more of a workshop day. We're really focusing on collaborating all together and getting deep dives to different topics. The first one will be taking place at 10 a.m., so you have a little longer sleep in as well, which will be with Stefano, our product manager, who will be focusing on community management systems and add-ons, specifically also features that we're looking to work on together, as well, such as segments, multi-community vision, and so forth. Then we'll go with Moritz Arendt at 11:30 to do a product deep dive, specifically also the engagement studio and connection hub. We will then have an hour lunch again that will be serviced, following by Jamie Abrahams again, who will be really focusing on Gaia AI, the vision, and kind of what's next, followed by Victoria and Alexander, our design lead and lead architect, who will be really focusing on designing with a purpose. So design will definitely be the focus point of that talk. Followed by the final talk and pretty much the closing will be Taco and Bram, who will have a little Q&A to answer any questions you have as well, before we have as well closing drinks. Please note this will also be taking place in the same building. However, it will be where our office is, which is 2 floors up. I think when you come in, we'll explain that tomorrow as well. It'll be much cozier as well to really, discuss this further. If you have any questions or concerns at any moment, there is Tefka, our also co-organizer here, as well of the event, or any Open Social employee. You can see it on the badge. If you have any concerns or anything like that, please let us know. Without further ado, I am very excited and thank you all again for being here. We're definitely excited to shine the spotlight on all of you and all the different topics, but also to exchange together and get best practices.